Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Isalukazi sendoda lesugogo bathi nembatha. Aw guys. Ngiyisalukazi sendoda nje, no one sends me a message nje to say salukazi sendoda, happy Mother's Day. Yeah. Yo, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. To all the women in general. Happy Mother's Day. You know, happy Mother's Day and Women's Day, to me, are very sensitive moments. Very sensitive moments. Sensitive in based on my line of duty, which is helping you guys. Why to me, why it's sensitive? It's because we have a lot of women who don't understand how important a woman is. We still have lot of women that do not understand the important role that they're playing in their lives, on themselves, in their homes as a family, in their families that they're facing, whether you're married or you're in a relationship, at the workspace, in society. We still have women that they don't understand how powerful they are. They don't understand the important role they are or that they can play, even financially. Just the role they can play. Guys, you are important. You are important, and I'm not gonna go nje ngingacacisi at that part ukuthi bomama, mothers, you important, guys. You really important. You know, there's a lady that I was doing the consultation with her yesterday. She said she saw me in February. Then she saw me again yesterday. You know, when she speaks how much she is scared of her son and how much she will love to see her son getting help, despite everything that her son has done to the family, to her, to the sibling, and to the community. You know, when the woman says, "Gogo makuphuma isibhamu, ndithi sitsho kuye. Gogo makuduma i-ambulance idlula, ndithi inoba kuyolandwa yena." That is her words. You can feel ukuthi, despite everything that this lady has gone through with the son, but they still love. Imagine indoda izothini. Ngimfuna umntwana la ekhaya. I am disowning this child. Yeah, what? Guys, you make successful single parents. Maybe your partners don't tell you this. Maybe your partners don't tell you this. But I'm telling you now, you make successful. That's why there's a high rate of successful mothers in raising their children alone compared to fathers, because it's hard for us. Why is it hard for us, Gogo, as men? It's because of it's not in our system. It's not our gift. It's not our calling. We were not called for that. There are things that women cannot handle. So raising a child, it's a task that it's better been done by a woman. I'm not saying that women, they deserve to be single parent, but in that midst, they do a better job compared to men. And I'm saying also, happy Mother's Day to those fathers that they stood by their children. They stood by their children. There's a friend of a friend that I've met, Olan. I've met last week Sunday. We met Olane when we visited a friend, Usizwe. And we spoke to Olane. Okay, Usizwe told us that bafethu Olane uyazwakala kunomjito ozofika uzobroma nathi kancane and everything. Incosi yakhe he came for visit. And then, no, sure, we don't have a problem. I don't have fussy friends. And the guy came. We were at the entertainment area. Caesar was in the main house. I point myself. We did a self introduction. Quick. By the time Caesar comes inside the house, we are talking as if we know each other from a long time ago. And it happened that the brother lost the partner early this year. So the guy plays a mother role as well to the son. And to you, my brother, again, I'm saying Happy Mother's Day. Already, I could tell Uguti, you care about your son, you love your son. You understand? And a little I know about you, I'm enough. I don't have to know your true colors if you have one, but none of us have. Doesn't have one. It doesn't have true colors. So even to the single fathers, Happy Mother's Day. Because being a mother is not a gender, it's a role. Being a mother is not a gender, it's a role. That role can be played by females or by males. I'll repeat this. Being a mother, it has nothing to do with a gender. Because fathers, they can make the environment to be conducive as if there's a mother here. Yes, there are fathers that have raised children. And the child will say, I've never really felt the absence of my mom. Yes, I miss my mom. Yes, I wish I knew my mom. Yes, I wish my mom was still alive. But my father made sure, Uguti, I'm okay. So when I'm saying Happy Mother's Day, I'm not talking about females in general. I'm talking about mothers. And being a mother, it doesn't mean you must give birth. Siyajula. We're going deep. Go deep, Pastor. Yes. Sunday today. Yes, Father. Go deeper, Father. Yes. Go deeper. I'm saying, to be a mother, you don't have to give birth. I've sent a message to Twabil, Umazung, Manzin. And I said to her, Happy Mother's Day. She doesn't have a child, but she's a mother. Because I know how much she cares about kids. I know for the fact how much she cares for the kids. I've sent a message, Happy Mother's Day. And she responded. She appreciated that. She didn't say to me, How kota gogo, you know what I don't have a child. Being a mother doesn't have a gender. Being a mother, you don't have to have a womb and give birth to be a mother. The word mother, it's a unique and universal and special. Being a mother, it's a calling. And the fact that you have a child doesn't make you a mother. It makes you a woman that gave birth first. Gogo, how could you say that? But I'm a mother and everything. No. No. You are the woman. That's why there's the difference between a home and a house. The structure can be the same. The structure can be 100% the same. Furniture, the same. Grocery, the same. But a real mother makes it a home. Kuba sekhaya. There's this popular saying, and many artists have done different songs about it. NgesiZulu kuthiwa noma ngabe izindlu zakhiwe ngodaka kusekhaya la. Even if the structure of the house is made by mud, but it's still home. Why is it home? Because there's a mother in that home. Kunomama in that home. Kunomama on that home. In the midst of the challenges that I faced when I was growing up in Orlando East, there's one thing that I will look forward to. Umama. When I was scared to do something and everything, umama uzothini. My sister's mother, Umam Geleto, had one child, Upotimpo, that passed on a long time ago. I was very young. I know him kancane. But Umam Geleto was our mother as well. Because she had qualities of being a mother. She loved us. She did things for us. She told us when we were wrong. And I treated her exactly like my mother. If it's Mother's Day, I buy something, I'll buy it for her because they've played exactly the same role in my life as Abu Mama. I've said it in the video, in a podcast with King David. Uguti, I'm not sure if I did mention this, but there was a time in life when I grew up and I lost direction. Yeah, it does happen. When my parents divorced and everything, and when my mom was no longer in the house, I felt it. So it's just a house. I remember I was around 7 years when I would get home, and I've seen so much papers in the yard, and I said, it's no longer a home. I was around 7. I remember very well. And I sat down. I said, something is wrong here. I could pick it up. Something is wrong here. And the divorce was wrong. I lost direction. I left school. Joined wrong friends. I was uncontrollable. It was not bad, but it was bad then. But I've never done anything severe, but it was severe then. The neighbor, we call her Umamncane Pig. Neighbor. She took it upon herself. Mamncane Pig, I may have not came to you and say thank you. But because we're still alive, I'm still going to do that. Umamncane Piggy never asked me. She understood, she knew, and she understood what I'm going through. She knew because she's a neighbor. Not ukuthi bekathanda indaba awumamgobhozi achacharach. No. She was a neighbor. She knew. They used to talk to my mom. Till today, they used to speak to my mom. She knew that there's a problem at home. And she knew that my mom is no longer staying with us. She knew, and she played her role. She took charge of me. She stood up and played her role as a mother, not as a woman, not as a neighbor, as a mother. And she took me back to school. She never negotiated with me. She didn't. Ngondo, that's my name as I was growing up. Brain. Till today, when I go to township, to my hometown, Orlando, people say, "Hey, Ngondo, hey, Brains, Ola, Ola, Ola." It's my name. It might not be in the ID, but it's my name. And she said to me, I remember very well, it was Sunday. It was Sunday. She said, "Ngondo, what's that? Tomorrow, I'm taking you back to school. Go and wash your uniform." I came with excuses. Hi, Mamncane Piggy, ayikho insipho. Hi, in she called Smangele. Smangele, let insipho, let ilokhuzana sunlight wind up. Smangele came with a bar of sunlight, nice sunlight. Hamba wash your uniform. And ubuye uzongitshela wash it. And I understood it's an assignment and I'm going to do it, whether I like it or not. Lo mama lo akanegotiate nami uyangitshena. I went to wash my washing. I did my washing. And on Monday, I was taken back to school. And I'm grateful for that. I'm talking about neighbors now. I'm just going to mention three. Next door, umama kaThabo noThabiseng. She used to work at Wits, at the canteen at Wits University. She would bring the leftovers. She made sure, she's the one that introduced me in the sliced bread before it was popular in the township. She will make sure that she gives us something to eat. Because then my father was not working. It was tough. Mama, nyabong. Nyabong. We used to eat fish, polony, what. She used to bring us, not because of she was taking things that were left over, see, then her kids didn't eat that. We used to eat together. So, okay, small butters. But at home, we didn't go to holidays and everything. This small butter that you find in a hotel, the first time I ate that, it was through her. Mam Lesaya. Umama kaPoyo noSizwe. I forget the name of the younger sister. I remember my brother Umanda used to go and take a credit of a bread from her. And she used to give us. Thank you. I've spoken about the grandmother that gave me the name in the township. I'm telling you guys all of this because I'm trying to give you an idea. When we're talking about a mother, we are not talking about a gender. We are not talking about a person that can give birth. We are not talking about your mother that gave birth to you. To be a mother, it has nothing to do with a gender. And the fact that you can reproduce, you can produce kids. It has nothing to do with reproduction. No. It's a skill, a special skill. I've told you that this thing is very sensitive to me. But I'm saying happy Mother's Day to all the people we call mothers, the people that plays a role of being mothers, the mothers that goes up and down to pastors, to traditional healers in trying to make things right for their children. Mothers who compromise happiness over their children. Mothers who are in marriages that are no longer existing because at ngicabangela abantwana bami. I hate the statement, but it's a very profound statement. I'm here for my kids. I'm just doing it, Gogo, for my children. I'm not doing this for him anymore. I'm here because of my children. The father who say, I don't longer love her. She's a drunkard. She does this, but I cannot leave my children with such a woman. I need to be there for my children. That's a mother. That husband, it's a mother in this situation. Gogo, I cannot leave my children with him. I cannot leave my children with her. I'm just here at least praying to Almighty and my ancestors for these children to grow. Mother. 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 So let's not mistake the word mother, and let's forget about our Oxford Dictionary when we're talking about the mother. No. Take Salukazi Sendoda's dictionary. Take Gogo's dictionary in analyzing, in unpacking, in explaining the word mother. It has nothing to do with gender. Mother. This is my dictionary. Gogo's dictionary. Mother. A person that will do what it takes, as if they understand what is it about, or how it is to give birth. That they will do what it takes to raise a child. A mother it's a person that will be able to raise a child. There's something happened. I heard this explanation long time ago. It's not something that I researched yesterday and everything. No, it's something that comes from this big head. At home, Mpangen, there was a chicken that was eaten by something. There was just something. I don't know what happened to that chicken. That chicken had chicks, a lot of them. I think around 15. A chicken, a hen that never laid eggs, never raised chicks, took charge of those chicks. I remember umalume umhlongo laphana, my neighbor, athi angaze ngibone nje. This thing has never happened into my eyes. It did happen to me in front of my eyes at home. That hen will protect that chicken. Whoever that comes to those chicks will protect, will put those chicks underneath and protect them and look at you in the eyes to say, these are my kids now. I'm in charge. I've experienced that. It's not something that I'm making it up. It happened in front of me. The chicken will say, now I'm in charge. I'm taking this. That's why we have mothers that adopts, families that they have kids, but they feel that they still need another kid, then they will adopt a child. Because they know that they have a conducive environment to raise a child. They know that they don't own houses, they have homes. We appreciate you. We appreciate your mothers. I think now, guys, we have a better understanding of the word mother. A mother is something else. A mother is something else. I heard somebody says, yeah, any woman can go to a shop and they'll come back with many things compared to men. No, it's a mother who can do that. Again, a mother is not somebody who can raise a child. It's somebody who can give birth only. It's somebody who can be able to raise a child. It's somebody who can be able to make a difference. It's somebody who's able to turn a house to be a home. I know of girls that will go into a shop and I'll look at it and say, the elder brother of my friend, Bafana Mlambo, Utabo. Utabo, if you give Utabo money to go and buy a grocery, you'll be surprised. He will come with plastics. He worked with me, Empangin. He will come with plastics. And he will tell you, he used to date this woman who knew nothing about doing shopping. He didn't know how to compare prices and everything, but Utabo was able to do that. I'm just giving an idea. I'm just unpacking. And I think the time is limited. You know, in South Africa, data is very expensive. You know, but I'm just giving an idea. Who's the mother? What does the word mother stands for? To all the mothers, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy this day. You have raised those children. Their father left them very young. The father might have passed on, or just left you. The mother just decided to leave you with a child. But you stood by that child. The fact that God didn't give you kids, but He gave you people that you can raise and call them yours. Teachers. Oh, teachers. Oh, teachers. We appreciate you. The role that teachers play in schools. We know, teachers, you are midwives. You are counselors. You are priests. You are everything to these children. You are Nabo Kobela now. Now, since she's in paper, now you carry its knife to school in case moya. The government doesn't care about you. I know that for a fact. But me, now, as a member of the society, teachers, we appreciate you. Police officers, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys. The role that you are playing in the community, in our homes. Nurses, guys, you are appreciated. We appreciate you. Guys, we are not talking negatives today. We're not saying, have you ever met this nurse? Have you ever met this? No, we're not there, guys. We're celebrating today. It's a Mother's Day. We're celebrating today. You know, talking about teachers, it touches me. Police, it touches me. Nurses, it touches me. The treatment I received when I had COVID, in COVID ICU, by men and women who became parents to me, being people. Diarrhea was at its best, and I was losing my mind as well. I was fastened in my bed, and they will come and say, Gogo, don't worry. Remember this one lady who came to a Saturday. I didn't know it was Saturday because I've heard it. They say it was Saturday. They said something they had to do for one to say it's Saturday. And she said, guys, no. Why Nibopu Gogo? Gogo, do you promise you won't do anything stupid? I said, I won't. I couldn't speak. Pipes everywhere and everything. And I turned to me and apparently I dozed off. That's how happy I was because of the love I got at Charlotte Maxeke Hospital. I know, guys, the nurses were not being appreciated during that time, but we're not being there. We're not there. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for everything, for playing the role of being parents, and even to the professions that maybe I didn't mention, but you know what you are doing well in your own space. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. May you have the blessed more years to come, healthy. May the Lord and ancestors make it possible for those children to realize that all you need from them is the best. was telling this other lady, she sent me a message and said, Gogo, I don't know what to do with this boy. I don't know, Gogo, I'm going to kill this child and everything. That's how our mothers, we were raised by mothers that promise to kill us. But these days, you tell a kid that, hey, when I'll kill you, you'll be arrested. Our mothers used to promise that day in and day out, but we know it was out of love. And I said to her, he needs help. And I'm willing to assist. I'm willing to come in to assist. He needs help. Don't give up on your son. He needs help. Don't give up on your daughter. Gogo, she's pregnant again. It's okay. She needs help. I can talk about this for hours. For hours, I can talk about this. For many other hours to come, I can talk about this. I can never be tired of talking about the role that is played by parent. Umuzumuntu, if you teasing a girl and say thokoza gogo, yeah, asungu gogo mina, it's because you don't understand how important it's a name, it's a word, gogo. You don't know. I remember when Ubaba VVO Mkhize spoke about it showing ka Mam Tutukoza Okozini FM ukuthi the word gogo, it's so profound. It's not just igama njena that you can call anyone. If your partner saying nasi salukazi sami, yeah, ugogo, yebo gogo, that I'll talk about it when time is right, so that I can just focus and unpacking on Gogo's dictionary. That word Gogo, what does it mean? You'll understand. You'll understand. You will understand. I don't want to talk too much. It's Mother's Day today. I'm going to spoil myself. I'm going to buy a cake and eat it because, yeah, I'm also going to see my mom today. I'll buy her cake as well. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Tozan.